Hello, I'm in a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to open the trunk. So first you want to make sure all the doors are unlocked all the way. And then if your key has this button, you can open it from here. And also you can unlock stuff from the door. So we'll go to the back now. And you can see it did auto open. And if these hydraulics are working right, those will hold it up for you. And so before I close it, make sure all this is tight, nothing stuck in here. This is that hook it hooks onto, make sure there's no debris caught in. And this is the handle you normally use to open it with, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. But you can see it's opening itself. So you want to make sure the vehicle has some power as well. If your car's completely dead, you might have issues. If you have to, you can pop this panel off and open it manually from the inside. And then you can also open just the glass if you'd like, which is right here. There's where it latches in, and the hook. Again, that's just right here and here. I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a great day.